Well, I'm going to talk today about solutions. It's a word I hear all the time and have heard over and over. What's the solution? Where's the solutions? And I see posts on the internet that say things like, that David Icke, he never talks about solutions. Well, actually, I do. And I've talked about them and written about them at length for decades. But you see, they're the wrong solutions. I'm not telling people what they want to hear. I'm telling people what they don't want to hear, which is the savior they think is going to do it for them ain't there to do it for them. Part of the solution, you see, is a crucial part, is knowing what's going on and knowing how we're manipulated by nefarious people. Exposing what people don't want to hear is, as I've found decade after decade, is not going to win you friends and influence people. It is with those that have a more expansive view of the world, but with most people it's not. Because if your solution doesn't involve someone else doing it for you, then it's not a solution worth hearing.